Yo, like, I'm for real. Am I tripping, or did I see something right there? I think I'm tripping. Or not. What? Oh my goodness! It's the volcano! Run! It's a volcanic eruption? A volcanic eruption? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh don't! Oh don't! Oh don't! Oh no! Dude! Oh no, it gets worse. It gets worse. Oh my! Oh my goodness. No way, I just survived that. Dude, if I died, it's over. It's over. GG. Yeah. GG. This dude's name is Stop Taming 117. Dude, what you mean about that? Yo. And he has infinite health. He has infinite health. Yeah, I can literally tell that it was it. It was it. It was either that much. Dude. Yo. 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 Whoa! That almost scared me! Should I touch that? Wait, what? Dude, I don't know. Dude, I didn't survive that. Dude, nah. Yeah, I'm cutting stream off. Okay, cut stream off is down. Yeah, now I'm doing it again. Don't you dare break the staircase. Don't you... Did he have an obesity attack?